Hello friends, welcome back to Nobita Creations. Today I am telling about geometry 5 angle rules. Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees centigrade. So here A, B and C adds up to 180 degree. Angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. This angle and this angle. These three angles will add up to 180 degrees. Angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So, A, B and C, D add up to 360 degrees. And in quadrilateral, C and D add up to 180, A and B add up to 180. Total 360. Angles in a round point add up to 360 degree. So, this is a round circle. When it is formed as a circle, then it will add up to 360 degree. This is one angle A, B, C, D. So, A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degree. Isosceles triangle have a two sides the same and two angles are same. Here is one question. So this is 50 degrees and find the size of angle X. This is isosceles triangle. So first we need to write triangle. Three angles in a triangle is 180 degree and 180 take away 50 because we know one angle. So 180 take away 50 equal to 130. 130 divided by 2 because isosceles both sides are same. That's why we are dividing with 2 and our answer is 65. X equal to 65. And at the same time this is 65 degrees as well because it is isosceles triangle. We finished angle rules and we are looking for some questions to do. So in this question we told when it is formed as a circle it will be 360 degree. This is exam type of question. So I am telling here we need to find the size of angle. This is we already know 120. This is we already know this is 90 degrees. So because it is a right angle 120 degrees plus 90 degrees equal to 210 degrees. But full circle is 360. So 360 take away 210 will give us 150 degrees. So A equal to this angle is 150 degrees. This is full circle equal to 360. So this is the way we will solve this type of questions. Yes. Here one type of question. The given 108. This is a circle. You need to feel like this is a circle. Circle equal to when it is circle then 360 degrees. This is right angle. So 90 degrees. So we know this angle and this angle. So we need to add up these two angles. So 198 degrees 360 minus 198 equal to 162 degrees. What is X angle? 162. This is the way we will solve this type of questions. In a straight line, it add up to 180. If you see here, it is add up to 180. We can see quadrilateral exam type of GCSE grade 5 question, this one. What is it? Grade 5. So first we need to find quadrilateral. This is the shape of quadrilateral and 4 angles are equal to 360 degrees. We need to find the value of x. If you know algebra, you can find easily this exam question. So what we need to write is, we need to write these all angles 2x plus 2x plus 30 plus x plus 25 plus 2x minus 10 degree equal to 360 degree, because in a quadrilateral angle 4 angles add up to 360. Now we are doing algebra here. 2x, 2x, 4x, 5x, 7x. If you add all x's, then it is 7x. Then we are adding degrees 30, 25, 55 minus 10. So 55 minus 10 equal to 45. So 7x equal to 360 degree minus 45 degree. 7x, x equal to 315 degree by 7. So 7 times 4, 7 times 5. So x equal to 45 degrees. This is the way we will solve this type of GCSE Maths grade 5. Exam style. 4 marks question, this one. If you show all the steps clearly like this, then you will get your 4 marks completely. This is another exam style 5 angle rule question in geometry. So here they given 3 angles. We know 4 angles equal to 360, or when it is forming as a circle equal to 360. This is a circle. You feel as a circle. So we know 70 1 angle, 120 1 angle, 40 1 angle. Plus we don't know x, but we know these all 4 angles equal to 360 degrees. So we need to add all of these first. So 70 plus 120 plus 40. So 160, 60, 220, 230 degrees. Plus x equal to 360. So 360 minus 230 degrees equal will give us x degrees. So 130 degrees is x. This is the way we will solve this type of exam style question. I will show you one more question. Isosceles triangle. So when you do this type of question, this is exam type of question. First you need to find this angle is 32 and triangle 3 angles equal to 180. This is isosceles triangle. So sorry, two angles, these two sides are same, so same, and we know already 32 degrees plus x, we will make x plus x, we will fill this one as well x, because these both sides are same, so I am writing another x here. So 180 degrees and 2x equal to 180 minus 32. So 2x equal to 148, isn't it? 180 minus 30, 150, take away 2, 148. So x equal to 148 divided by 2 will give us what is x here. So 2 times 7, 74 degrees. So this side is 74 degrees, this side is 74 degrees also, because it is an isosceles triangle. If you see GCSE Maths Foundation exam hard question, it is 5 angle rule geometry question. This is second rule. We already told that angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. If you remember this, then you can easily do this question. Okay, here they given some more hard or difficulty level questions. First we need to find what is x here to chase this question. So I am using algebra to solve this geometry question. X plus 35 degree plus x minus 23 will give us 180, because the angles in a straight line equal to 180. So 2x, because this x makes 2x, 35 take away 23. So 12, 2x plus 12 degrees equal to 180. So 2x equal to 180, take away 12. So 168. X equal to 168 divided by 2. So 2 times 8, 2 times 4. So x equal to 84. So we know x equal to 84. Here they given how much bigger is angle ABD than angle CBD. So ABD is this angle. So we know already x equal to 84. 84 plus 35. How much it will be? 80, 30, 110, 119 degrees. And we know now BCBD. This is CBD angle. So 84 minus 23. Because we already found what is x. So x value is 84. If you see here. Okay. 4 take away 3 equal to 1. 8 take away 2 equal to 61. If you add both of ABD plus CBD will give us 180, because ABD equal to 119 and CBD equal to 61 will give us 180. But here they asked how much bigger is angle ABD than CBD. That means we need to find ABD how much is bigger. So ABD we know already 119. CBD equal to 61 degrees. So all we need to do here, 119 minus 61, degrees. So ABD is 68 degrees bigger than CBD angle. This is the way we will solve this type of GCSE Maths grade 5 question, this one. And they asked more. B. Set up and solve equation to work out the size of angle ABD. So they are asking how can you find the size of angle ABD. We don't need to do anything here because we already showed this method how can we find ABD, and if you show this one how you find ABD, how did you find X and how did you find ABD, will find for that question. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.